Hello and welcome to my channel. My husband and I rescued lots of birds that had been abused or neglected by their previous owners. I have lots of information I want to share with you guys, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make an outfit from a fleece material for a bird that plucks its feathers. If you are interested, keep watching. I recommend using outfit as the last solution because it's not gonna solve the problem. It's only gonna not to let your bird to reach its feathers, but your bird start plucking for a reason, and you need to figure out what caused it to pluck its feathers and eliminate the cause. If you do not eliminate the cause after you take an outfit off, your bird is gonna pluck again. If you didn't watch my previous video about how to make an outfit from a sock, I recommend you to do so. This kind of outfit is faster and easier to make and figure out the right size for your bird, because the size is crucial. You don't want it to be too tight, because if it's too tight, your bird would not be able to ruffle its feathers, and it's one of very important processes of thermoregulation. Also, you don't want it to be too wide, because if it's too wide, your bird, their feet can get stuck in it and your bird can get hanged by this thing. And now finally I'm gonna show you the whole process of making this outfit. Let's get to it. You're gonna need scissors, a needle, thread, piece of material, I use fleece, and a plastic button. That's how the outfit is gonna look like. It's made of 4 pieces of material. It's a neck part, 2 side parts to connect the front and the back, and the body part, front and the back. If you don't know yet Beto's story, he's our first rescue. We got him about 4.5 years ago. He was abused by his previous owner. He is paralyzed, his joints are frozen. The body part piece is gonna be 8 by 3 inches. I'm turning the fabric inside out and sewing the ends. So the seam is gonna be on the middle of the back. The base for our outfit is ready, and now let's start with the back. It's gonna be about 1.2 inches wide, but make sure, as I said before, the seam is gonna be on the middle of the back. Now we're gonna cut holes for the wings. Do not cut it all the way through, leave about 1 inch for the neck part. I always make the front shorter than the back for about 1/2 inch, because if it's too long, birds' feet getting stuck in material, they could fall down and get injured. In order to make neck opening smaller, I'm folding fabric on the left and on the right on the front and making 2 tucks. To connect the front and the back, we're gonna need two small pieces of fabric. Each one of those pieces gonna be 1.6 inches long and 1.4 inches wide. Now I'm gonna make buttonholes, but do not make them too big because your bird is gonna try to take this outfit off, and if the holes are too big, it would be much easier for your bird. If your bird's smart enough, he or she would figure out how to get rid of this button, and what you can do, you can just sew the side parts to the back, and in order to wear this outfit you have to do what I showed on previous video about how to make an outfit from a sock. You just pull the wings through those holes. In order to take this kind of outfit off your bird, you actually gonna need to cut it on your bird. Just be very careful when you cut it. I'm sewing together those side pieces to the front on the very bottom to connect the front to the back. And our outfit is almost ready. We just need to sew the button to the back. Hey, look who's here! It's my friend Ryabushka. She's following me everywhere around the house and helping me with everything I do. The outfit is actually ready. You don't really need to have the neck part. It's only good if your bird actually plucks his neck as well, and then it's nice to put another additional piece of fabric for the neck. I'm gonna need a piece of material about 0.8 inches long. I always start attaching the neck part from the seam from the middle of the back. I don't recommend sewing two pieces of the neck on the back together because naturally bird neck curves kind of up, and if you sew it together your bird is gonna be uncomfortable. And now I'm gonna show you how to put this outfit on your bird. This is Beto, our superstar. The head of course going first, and now it's very important to put kind of shoulder in the hole. Go around the wing and attach the side part to the back. And we're doing the same thing with another side. And here you go, my Beto has his outfit on.
And one more time I want to emphasize your attention on the back of the neck part. You see how it's important not to sew two pieces together. And now I'm gonna show you how to take this outfit off.
When you put on the outfit on your bird, please do not leave it unsupervised. You need to make sure that your bird can get around with no problems, and also to make sure that your bird is eating, because some birds can get too stressed out and they stop eating. In this case, take this outfit off immediately. It's not for a bird. My better is not a newbie, so he wears the outfit for 3 days in a row. After that, I'm taking it off for a few hours to let him enjoy himself, preen himself, take a bath, and I'm putting it on him again, and I'm doing it until all his feathers grew back. I hope you found my video helpful. If yes, do not forget to put likes and subscribe down below. I'm gonna post more videos about birds because I live with birds. And see you next time. Bye bye.